What's up, winners? On this channel, we learn to see through manipulation, have fun doing it. We have a lot of Meghan being Meghan. First of all, she has her pancake cake hat. And let's see. Uh-oh. So Meghan does the immediate rubby rub creep. Harry's actually scared. Do you see that? Meghan's like, rubby rub, and Harry's like, okay, yes ma'am, durr, durr. Yes ma'am. Okay, bye. It might as well be a leash. Now again, this is from someone who loves Meghan. Harry looks scared again. Is that going to be the theme of this video? By the way, guys, make sure you're subscribed. A lot of you are not subscribed, but watch often. Thank you everyone who is. There's like literally hundreds of thousands of returning viewers, so I should have hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Meghan's fashion is just the worst. Look at that PTSD, the trauma from the flashes. Harry's behind her. Again, now notice something. Harry's almost in the front, but Meghan still like cranks his arm behind him so he doesn't have real mobility. I've never seen, like, I have some old shoulder tweaks. My shoulder can't even go that way, twisted like that. And then his arm, he's like this. It's all, look, his hands like this. Like he has to walk like this with Meghan holding it. And then we have a very interesting moment coming up. Is Harry, what is he doing? You know, they should get crayons for Harry, just so he has something to do. Look, I think that is, guys, question, is this the best, most extreme, worst Meghan blocking of Harry that we've ever seen? What do you guys think? Like, he couldn't be less significant in this photo. Like, I don't know, like, shorter people can stand in the front, but not like that. Like, you know, ridiculous. And this is a part from Morocco that I hadn't seen before. So, we have the chef. Where Meghan's standing there to show him how to do his job. Look, like let him cook. Like, Meghan's like, hey, I'll show you. I'm good at everything. Harry looks stupefied. Oh, everyone laugh at Harry. Give him a break. So, first of all, that's kind of putting Harry down slightly. Also, it's putting down the food a little bit. Like, it's supposed to be about enjoying the food. So, she took away Harry's moment of trying the food. She made fun of him a little bit, like one of his idiosyncrasies, big bite, which also I think is kind of what the chef would like to see. I feel like a traditional chef who's really proud of what they do, they like it when you really enjoy their food, and took it away from the food. So it all became about Meghan. It was my joke, you know, no one gets a moment without Meghan. It's so annoying. I'm not even the one experiencing it.
Excellent. Well done. Thank you. Very
Excellent. So she completely shut down Harry's opinion on it. So again, that's what happened there. She completely shuts down what Harry's saying. It takes away the moment of the food. The chef, the Harry, makes fun of him, and then now goes to her moment. Finally, we have Meghan in her element, and some very interesting expressions right away. Harry's like, Meghan, like, look at this expression. I can't even really do it. Then we have some mask slip. Do you see that jaw flex? Let me see if I can go back to that. It's on, oops. Look at that giant jaw muscle. Wow. Dang, maybe I need to work out. My jaw, I can't even do that. My jaw doesn't stick out that way. My goodness. And that flexing jaw, that's... Did you see that? Ow. Ow. All right, I don't even know what's making that. See you guys soon.